Hello, explorers! Today we learn insects. Let's explore together. Bee. You can spell B-E-E-B. Butterfly. You can spell B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Ant. You can spell A-N-T. Ant. Ladybug. You can spell L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. Ladybug. Dragonfly. Firefly. You can spell F-I-R-E-F-L-Y. Firefly. Grasshopper.
Cricket. You can spell C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket.
Cockroach. You can spell C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Gnat. You can spell G-N-A-T, gnat. Praying mantis. Beetle. You can spell B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle.
Hornet. You can spell H-O-R-N-E-T, hornet.
Moth. You can spell M-O-T-H, moth. You can spell T-I-G-E-R. Great job, explorers! Now let's discover zoo animals with 3A Kid. Lion. You can spell L-I-O-N, lion. Elephant. You can spell E-L-E-P-H-A-A-N-T, elephant. You can spell G-I-R-A-F-F-E, zebra. You can spell Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Gorilla. You can spell G-O-R-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Monkey. You can spell M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Panda. You can spell P-A-N-D-A, panda. Koala. You can spell K-O-A-L-A, koala. Polar bear. You can spell P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R, polar bear. Cheetah. You can spell C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. Ostrich. You can spell O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Penguin. You can spell P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Flamingo. You can spell F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Peacock.
You can spell P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock.
Eagle. You can spell E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Owl. You can spell O-W-L, owl. Parrot. You can spell P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot.
Snake. You can spell S-N-A-K-E, snake.
Turtle. You can spell T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Tortoise. You can spell T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Seal.
You can spell S-E-A-L, seal.